Centrifugal compressor, low oil pressure problem, oil filter problem, high differential pressure. When the differential pressure dB reaches 1 bar, it means the oil filter is clogged. Oil inlet pressure is 2.5 bar. Oil outlet pressure is 1.5 bar. Pressure drop is 1 bar. So we need to change the oil filter. Right side filter replacement. First stop the compressor. Operate the changeover handle to stop the oil flow to the right side filter. Open the filter housing by rotating the bottom nut anti-clockwise. Press the filter downward and remove the filter element and nylon bush. After removing the old filter and nylon bush, drain the old oil into a container. Remove the old filter and remove the tension spring, nylon bush and o-ring. Clean the filter housing properly. Insert a o-ring. After inserting the o-ring, take a new oil filter. Insert the tension spring inside the filter housing. After inserting the tension spring, insert the new oil filter element inside the filter housing. After insert the nylon bush and close the housing. After inserting the new filter by rotating a clockwise, hit the housing element. Turn the handle back to the restore oil flow. Left side filter replacement. Open the left filter housing anti-clockwise. Press down the remove the old filter and nylon bush. Drain the old oil into a container. Remove the old filter tension spring, the nylon bush. Take a new filter. Insert the filter housing inside tension spring. After insert the new oil filter inside the filter housing. Insert the nylon bush and tight the housing. By rotating a clockwise to tight the filter housing. After completing the filter replacement, start the compressor. DP should be reduced to around the zero point 0.2 bar, removing the old oil filter. Next, next centrifugal compressor, low airflow problem cause blocked the air filter solution. Open the filter cover. Remove the primary and secondary old filter. Check for soaking and cleaned properly. Install the new secondary filter. After insert the new primary filter. Close the filter door. After run the compressor. Check the flow meter reading will be increase the airflow. Centrifugal compressor high vibration problem. Normal range of vibration is 0.15 mm to 1 mm per second. Check the Check the cooler drain valve open. The drain valve remove any blockage. If still not solid vibration, check the stages. Remove the stage casing. Remove the stage casing after. Remove and clean the diffuser by using a smooth emery paper to clean the diffuser and impeller properly. After take a alignment, use a filler gauge. Maintain the gap between the impeller and diffuser is 0.40 mm. All vanes gap is 0.40 mm. It is okay. Reassemble the casing. Final check. Start the compressor. Check vibration reading is normal. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.